DigiStore24 free traffic affiliate marketing for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get products on DigiStore24 and how you can promote them and earn free money. So basically all you need is some free clicks, and I'm going to show you different mediums and different platforms that are available for you to promote your products using the DigiStore products that you get and how you can promote them on the different platforms that I'm going to show you guys. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing you need to do for this is to actually sign up for DigiStore24 and start getting your affiliate link. So you're just going to click on register now over here on DigiStore24, and you're going to scroll down and you can see that you can choose to sign up as an affiliate vendor or a vendor and affiliate, but we're going to sign up as a affiliate, and then you're just going to fill out all of these basic details. Now, once you have done that, this is going to be your basic account. So you can see over here, you're going to have your DigiStore24 ID at the top left, and you can see that you can view this as a vendor, as an affiliate, or as both. So I have this account that I have set up as both, but you can choose to only have an affiliate account. Now, once you have done that, you're going to go on to Marketplace over here, and then once you go onto the Marketplace, you're going to see different links available or different products available for you to pick from to start promoting as your affiliate. So you can see that on the right of the product you have the commission rate, and then if you actually look at the bottom of the product, you're going to be able to see how much earnings or sales this product is getting, what is the commission, and what are the billing types and the cancellation rates of this product. So the cancellation rate is something that is most important in these kinds of setups. Now, when you are looking for your affiliate link and you're looking to promote different products, you're going to actually make sure to check the cancellation rate. So the lower the cancellation rate, the better. I would usually suggest going with a product with a cancellation rate lower than 12 or 10%. Usually I like to stay below 10%. So even this 11% is too high for me. If you scroll down, you're going to see different products. And if you take a look at the left, you can choose what kind of products you want as well. So if you already have a blog or a website related to that kind of specific category, then you can choose a specific category to promote exclusively. Now, you can see that this is a pretty good product, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on promote now, and you can see that now I have my promo link, and all I need to do is I need to copy this and start using this link to promote this product. Now, this is the actual work part of your work, is getting clicks on this affiliate. So you're going to be able to make money. You're going to go into your account, you're going to be able to see your affiliate partnerships, and you're going to be able to get your payments and reports and all of your sales as well. But how do you actually get clicks on your account? Well, I'm going to show you different platforms. The first platform is Steemit. So this is one platform in which you can write articles. So you're just going to click on sign up over here, and you can sign up on Steam to start writing different articles like these people have. And you can start right away once you have signed up, and it's going to be a simple process. Now, once you sign up and start writing, you can see that you just have to enter a login or a username or your account name. So whatever you want your account name to be, and then you can add your password, and then you're just going to click on login, or if you haven't registered, you're just going to click on free to register and register, and then you can start writing. And it's the same on this other platform, which is called medium.com. So on medium.com, it's pretty much the same. You're just going to sign in, and once you have signed in, you can start writing different articles on Medium and get your product promoted. So what I would recommend for you is when you are writing different articles on either platform, Steemit or Medium, you're going to write the article in an indirect fashion. So you don't want it to be direct promotion of your product. You're going to write it like along the lines of promoting your product. So this product that I selected over here, it is crypto quantum leap with 50% commission rate. So it is like a course for cryptocurrency. So what I would do is I would actually go on, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you guys how you can actually get started. It's going to go on to my Medium account over here. So I'm just going to click on my profile over here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on write a story, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to write like crypto is the new big thing, get your hands on, something like that. And then I would write an article on how, you need to know everything about crypto and XYZ, you get the point. And then I'm going to add my actual affiliate link, which is this link. And this is going to be the promotional link for the course that I am looking to sell using my DigiStore24 link. And I would just click on publish over here. And I can schedule my posts as well, but you can choose if you want a specific posting time, or you can post whenever. But like this, I have a basic article posted on medium.com, and it's pretty much the same on Steemit as well. So you can actually just post the same article on both platforms, and that would be pretty good. Now, the other thing you can do is go on to Pinterest.com, and on Pinterest.com, you can start creating different pins and boards. So you're just going to click on create over here. Now, I already have logged in with my Gmail account, but if you don't have a Pinterest account, you can just continue with your Google account. And what you're going to do is you're just going to click on create pin over here, and then you're just going to add a title like get your hands in on crypto. So I'm using the same line I used in the article, and then I would usually add some information. I would add a image, and then I would add a destination link. So in your add a destination link, you're just going to paste your actual affiliate link, and I would just add any image related. You can just find a stock image that you find is suitable. So I'm just going to use this random image that I have, and I'm just going to show you guys how it's going to look like. I'm just going to do this, and I'm just going to click on publish over here. And now I have published this little pin onto Pinterest as well, and I can get more traffic onto my DigiStore24 affiliate link using Pinterest as well. So this is how easy it is to get free clicks onto your affiliate link. So you can go on to as many social platforms as well. So you can do this on Facebook groups as well, and I do recommend doing it on Facebook groups because that is another market that is very large and is very susceptible and easy to get free clicks out of. Or you can just go with these 3 platforms that are absolutely free, and you can get started today with promoting your DigiStore24 affiliate links. Now, if you want to go onto Facebook, what you're going to do is you're just going to go onto facebook.com, log into your account, and what you're going to do is you're just going to go and search for the product that you want. So let's say I have crypto. So I'm just going to search for crypto on my Facebook account, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go onto groups on the left over here. And once I do that, I would join all of these crypto groups. So I would usually just join all these crypto groups, and I would just agree to the terms and conditions if they have any. And what you're going to do is once you join all these crypto groups, you're just going to go onto the group, and what you're going to do is you're going to add a post, and you can talk about how you learned everything about crypto and how you gained access to crypto information and all of that stuff. And then I would take the link that I have for my DigiStore24 product. So this is depending on the product. So this is a crypto product, so I'm gonna just talk about how this is how I gained information about crypto using this product. But obviously, if you choose another product, you're gonna talk about that, and then you're gonna post it on Facebook groups. And the reason that I recommend this technique over any other technique to promote your DigiStore24 product is because people are more likely to buy your actual affiliate link and click on the affiliate if they find that this is a person telling their genuine story rather than just promoting the affiliate link. So you want to make sure that you appear as genuine as you can with your DigiStore24 product link, whatever kind of product that might be. So that is how easy it is to get free traffic on your DigiStore24 product. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to get free traffic on your DigiStore24 product. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.